Want to make money on Amazon by selling your own branded products? In 2025, it's still real, and it's not as hard as it sounds. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and proven way to find profitable Amazon private label products that can bring in thousands of dollars. Ready? Then let's go. So, where do you start looking for items for your Amazon private label business? The easiest and most effective way is to look in Amazon's Today's Deals section. Why go there? Because it contains high demand items that people are already actively buying. It's like a cheat sheet from Amazon showing you what works. Start with a niche that's close to you. Love cars? Choose the automotive category. Interested in fitness? Go for sports and outdoors. Most importantly, choose something you like, because knowing your niche is half the battle. Today, as in our example, we're going to look at the automobiles category and break down real products that can make a profit. Here's the first example. A car cover, 10-layer, waterproof, suitable for all weather. The price on Amazon is $59 and it's been bought over 1,000 times. That's a signal. The product is in demand. What do we do next? We go to Alibaba to find out how much it costs from suppliers. We find the same product for $5. Yes, that's right. $5 versus $59 on Amazon. This is a potential gold mine, but don't be in a hurry. The $5 price could be a lure from an unreliable vendor. It's better to choose a trusted vendor, like the $9 price. Why? Quality and consistency of supply is more important than the lowest price. To increase your chances of success, use tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10. They show how many sales an item has and how many sellers are competing with it. For example, if a car cover sells in the thousands but only has 5-10 sellers, that's a great sign. We'll save that product to our list and move on. Next example, a car seat organizer. It's around $20 on Amazon, and it's also a hit in the automotive category. We go to Alibaba again, and voila, we find analogs. One piece costs about $1, so a pair is $2. This is another candidate for our business. Don't get hung up on one product. Gather 10-20 ideas, write them down in a Google spreadsheet with prices on Amazon and Alibaba. This is your shortlist, which we will further test for profitability. So we've found a few promising products, a car cover, a car seat organizer. But how to understand how much money they will bring? That's where Amazon's free tool, Revenue Calculator, comes to the rescue. It's your best friend to calculate your profit and not get hit with hidden costs. Let's break down how it works with some real examples. We need ASIN, the unique product code on Amazon. Copy it and go to Revenue Calculator. How do you open the calculator? Just type Amazon Revenue Calculator into Google, follow the first link and click Continue as Guest. No need to register. You put in your ASIN and the calculator automatically pulls up the product data, price, dimensions, Amazon commissions. Back to our car cover. On Amazon, it sells for $59. Regular price is around $70. On Alibaba, we found it for $9 from a reliable supplier. We add shipping and customs costs, about $4. Let's enter it into the calculator. Sale price, $59. Cost of goods, $9. Shipping, $4. What do we get? Net profit, about $28, and the margin, 48%. These are fantastic numbers for a startup. Important point, don't forget about hidden costs. Amazon takes a commission for FBA, usually 15 to 20% of the price, plus taxes, packaging, marketing. Always budget an extra 10-15% for unexpected costs so that your calculation is realistic. For example, for a $59 cape, Amazon's commission might eat up about $10. Another example, a car seat organizer, a pair for $20. On Alibaba, one piece costs about $1, so a pair is $2. Add $2 for shipping and customs. The calculator shows profit, $6.37, margin, 31%. For a $20 item, that's okay, especially if you're on a tight budget. Target the regular price, not the discounts in today's deals. If an item is on sale at a discount, check its regular price. This will give you more profit. What do we do next? Write down all the calculations in a Google spreadsheet. Product, Amazon price, Alibaba price, shipping, profit, margin. This is your plan for getting started. Aim to find 10-20 products with margins of 30% or more. And most importantly, don't be afraid to test. Even with a small budget, as in the case of a $2 organizer, you can start earning. Amazon is not rocket science. It's an opportunity waiting for you. So don't delay. Open your laptop, start looking for products, and take the first step towards your business. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new strategies. And write in the comments what products you found. Let's launch your Amazon business together. See you in the next video.